If you want to light up your room with multiple different colors, stay tuned because behind me I got the Govee RGB floor lamp that even works with Hey Google and Alexa. The Govee light comes in two colors, black and silver, but trust me, it'll bring a lot more colors your way. So we're going to take a closer look and scroll through some of the features so you can see if this Govee light will be the one to light up your room. In the box, it's going to come with your silicone light strip, your 4 metal rods, the base of the light, which also comes with an on and off switch, 3 metal pieces to hold the rods together, some screws that also come with a screwdriver, and the power supply. Now I've already put this together, but this is pretty much what you're going to do. You're going to take the 2 rods and connect them with this metal piece, line them up with the holes, and then screw them in. When you're done with that, you're going to push the silicone light in its place. So when you put it together, it's going to look a little something like this. Now let's take a closer look at the application to see what this light can really do. In the colors tab, you can change the color of different sections of the light. It even gives you a color wheel, so you have a wide variety of colors that you can choose from. In the scene section, you can choose between different patterns such as movie, tunnel, fireworks, or game. And in the music tab, you can have your light dance to your music. Overall, if you like color changing lights, this will look good for your living room, your garage, wherever you want to put it. Presentation was great. They really packed it nicely in the box. Playing around with it, you're really going to like the fact that when you face the light towards the corner, it almost lights up the whole room. We went through the parts, showed you a little how the light works. I'll definitely be getting one for myself. So if you're interested to learning more about the Govee floor lamp, I'll leave all the links in the description below. I'm Justin, this is Gadget Getters. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to get more videos just like this one, and I will catch you guys on the next one.